So let's discuss about chlamydia infection in pregnancy. Chlamydia infection in pregnancy. Okay. So universal screening in first prenatal visit is done. Okay. So let's write it down. Universal screening in first trimester prenatal visit is done, while high risk patients required repeat screening in third trimester. While high risk patients, high risk means who are engaged with multiple sexual partner, don't use condoms consistently. Okay, so those patients require repeat screening in, and who have high risk patients require repeat screening in third trimester. Okay. So why should we screen chlamydia in pregnancy? Because it is associated with number of obstetric complications. Okay, that's why we should identify, screen it, and treat it in time. Okay, so what are the obstetric complications associated with chlamydia in pregnancy? One is preterm premature rupture of membrane. Okay. Second is preterm labor. Third is postpartum endometritis. Okay. So pregnant patients are retested for chlamydia 3 to 4 weeks after completion of treatment to ensure response to therapy, that is test of cure. Okay, and all patients are retested 3 months after treatment to exclude reinfection. Okay, so let's write it down. Pregnant patients are retested for chlamydia 3 to 4 weeks after completion of treatment to ensure response to therapy, that is test of cure. And all patients are retested 3 months after treatment to exclude reinfection. Okay, because untreated chlamydia can result in number of obstetric complications. And one thing, you guys tell me whether it is associated with IUFD or not. Intrauterine fetal death. No. Why not? Because it does not cause in utero infections. It does not cause in utero infections. Pathogens that cause in utero infections like toxo, listeria, parvovirus B19, these are associated with increased risk of IUFD. Chlamydia does not cause in utero infections and is not associated with IUFD. Chlamydia does not cause, let me change my pen. So chlamydia does not cause in utero infections. Okay, so it is not associated with IUFD.